Welcome to today's session. No coding for full stack? There's a lot of hype out there saying you don't need to code to become a full stack developer. But is that really true? Let's break down the facts and guide you in the right direction, especially if you're a fresher or just starting out. So what exactly is full stack development? It means you're responsible for the front end, what users see and interact with, and the back end, which powers the logic, database, and servers behind the scenes. This is a coding-heavy field. From HTML to APIs to databases, coding is your core toolkit. So where does this no-coding advice even come from? It often stems from the rise of no-code and low-code tools like Webflow or Bubble. These tools are great for quick MVPs or business users, but they can't replace real coding for professional full-stack development. Unfortunately, the marketing hype confuses beginners. If you're a fresher or switching careers, the no-coding myth can seriously hurt your progress. Most full-stack jobs involve writing and debugging code every single day. Interviews will test your coding logic, your ability to build applications from scratch. Without these skills, you won't even make it past the initial screening. Let's talk reality. Here's what full-stack developers actually do. They write HTML and CSS to build structure and design. They use JavaScript frameworks for interactivity. They build APIs with backend languages like Node, JS or Java. They also manage databases and work on hosting and deployment. Every part of this involves, you guessed it, coding. Now, let's be fair, no-code tools do have a place. They're great for prototyping, building MVPs, or for non-tech founders who need something fast. Even developers can use them for quick mockups. But you can't rely on them to build complex systems or to get a job as a developer. You still need to know what's happening under the hood. If you're just starting, here's your roadmap. Begin with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are non-negotiables. Then pick a front-end framework like React. On the back end, go with Node, JS, Java, or Python. Get comfortable with APIs and databases. Build projects, small at first, and work your way up to full apps. Think of coding as your superpower. It gives you control and the ability to solve real-world problems. It helps you understand and fix bugs, and lets you innovate freely. Most importantly, it's what sets you apart in the job market. Don't avoid it, embrace it. So here's the final truth. No coding for full stack is a shortcut that leads nowhere. Full stack development is rewarding, creative, and in demand, but it takes real work. Follow the right steps, code daily, and keep building. Avoid the myths, and you'll go far. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We've got plenty of content on full stack development, tech careers, and real-world projects coming up. Drop your questions or the next myth you want us to bust, and we'll cover it soon.